Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to enable PDC Check Reminder Alert in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the Accounts module and click the All Vouchers menu. On the All Voucher screen, select the voucher type and voucher number. Then click the Submit button. And click the Edit icon. Select the check or reference clear date, and enable the PDC option. Enter the required days in the PDC Check Reminder Days field. And click the Save Changes button. Once saved, the user will receive the notification under the to-do list before the check clearance date. These are the steps to enable PDC Check Reminder Alert in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.